Good afternoon, students. Again, welcome to maths class. Hope you all are fine and do your work regularly. Today we discuss worksheet 4 of Unit 1, Square and Square Root of Class 8 DAV Maths book. In previous video, we discussed sum number 1 of worksheet 4 by using long division method to find the square root of given number. Clear? This is the last method. Today we discuss word problems of long division method. Clear? How to solve the words problem. In third worksheet, we discuss the word problems to find the smallest number, which number must be multiplied or divide. Then we use prime factorization method. But if the wording has come arrived this, find the smallest number that must be added or that must be subtracted, then you can use only long division method. Clear? So today we discuss this type of questions, that number must be added or that number must be subtracted. Clear? First of all, understand the question number 2. Question number 2 है find the smallest number that must be subtracted from the number. You are given the number 6203. Clear? First of all, you find the number. After that, we have to find the perfect square root of number obtained. Clear? Then use long division method 6203 and write the pair, making pair from right side. First pair and second pair. From left side, first pair is 61. First of all, check the number which is less than 62 but is a perfect square. Near about 62, perfect square is 64 and 49. Number 8 and number 7. But we can write 7 sevens are 49 because 8 is a 64, number greater than 62. Now subtract this. 12 minus 9, 3. 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Now write complete pair here. Clear? Same method, double of this number. 7 2 is 14. Clear? अब जो यहाँ डिजिट आएगा और यहाँ डिजिट आएगा, both are same but less than this or equal to this. Clearly? We can write 141 into 1, that number become 141, which is less, बहुत low हो जाएगा. ठीक है? We have to find the number near about this. Clear? We can write suppose 148 into 8. 8 is a 64, 6. ये भी बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. I am writing 145 into 5. 5 5 is a 25. 14 5 is a 70 और 72 by. ये भी काफी दूर हो गया. Similarly, we can find with the 8 also. 8 is a 64. Clear? 4 or carry 6. 8 4 is 32. 32 or 6. 38 3. 8 or 3 11. Clear? I am also finding 149 into 9 also. 9 9s are 81. 1. Carry 8. 9 4s are 36. 36 or 8. 44. Clear? 44 means 4. 9 or 4 13. But this number is greater than 1303. So we can use number 1184. Means here write 8 8. Number become 1184. Now subtract this number. Clear? 13 minus 4 9. Here 9 9 minus 8 1. Clear? Here 2 2 minus 1 1. ठीक है? तो रिमाइंडर आपका 0 नहीं आया. So this is the smallest number. Clear? If you find the smallest number that must be subtracted. Understand the word? If subtracted word है, then remainder should be subtracted from the given number. Clear? So we can write 119 the smallest number that must be subtracted from 6203. Clear? Okay. If you know the property, last number is 2, this is not a perfect square. If last digit of any number 2, 3, 7 and 8, then it is not a perfect square. So this is the first part. Now subtract the number, means 62, number becomes 6203 minus में 119. Subtract the number. Clear? 13 minus 9 4. 13 minus 9 हो गया 4, 9. 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 1 8 और 1. 1 minus 1 0 और 6. Clear? तो number become 6084. ठीक है? So you have to, next part you have to find the perfect square root of this number. Clearly? So 6084. You have to find this. Clear? The answer is 78. क्योंकि आपने इसमें से नंबर माइनस कर दिया तो 6084. This is the perfect square of number 78. This is the method. I am repeating again. First of all, you are given a number. Find the long by using long division. Find the square root. ठीक है? And 0 नहीं आएगा, ये श्योर है. उसके बाद अगर आप listen, if the word is find the smallest number that must be subtracted, then remainder should be subtracted from the number. Clear? ठीक है? After subtracting the number, we get the perfect square number. Or in last part, we have to find the perfect square root of that number is 78. This is your question number 2. Clear? Now see the question number 3. So let us see question number 3. Find the greatest number of 6 digit that is the perfect square. Means आपको 6 digit का एक perfect square number find करना है. Find the square root of also this number. Clear? Firstly, we know that largest 6 digit number clear, this is the largest 6 digit number. ठीक है? Now think, we have to subtract the remainder or we have to add the remainder. Yes, if you subtract the remainder after finding by using long division, the number become of 6 digit. But if we add the remainder in given number become of 7 digit. But your question is find the greatest number of 6 digit. Like previous question number 2, we have to subtract the remainder from the given number. Clear? Now find the perfect square root of number. Clear? By making the pair of 2 from right side. 99 first pair, 99 second pair, 99 third pair. First of all, find the number which is less than 99 but a perfect square. Clear? So 9 by mistake. 9 nines are 81. Clear? Now subtract this 1 or 8. Now write next pair, that is 99. Clear? The same method, double of 9, this become 8. Clear? तो जहाँ यो digits आएगा और यहाँ जो digit आएगा, both are same, but after multiply we have to find a number which is less than this number. Clearly? So I am writing here 9. Clear? The 9 nines are 81, 8. 9 8s are 72, 72 or 8, 8 or this 1 7. Clear? So 9 minus 1 8, 9 or 1. Clear? Now last pair 9 9. ठीक है। अब यहाँ एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक होगी, थोड़ा ध्यान से सोचना ताकि आपकी मिस्टेक ना हो। जैसे आप यहाँ 18 लिख रहे हो, अब नेक्स्ट नंबर 9 का डबल करोगे तो वो भी 18 है, तो 18 आप ऐसे राइट करोगे 8 9 और 1, तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 198। क्लियर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डबल द 9 मीन्स 18, तो 8 एज इट इज, कैरी 1, देन 18 प्लस 1 19। क्लियर। तो दिस इज द मेथड फॉर फाइंडिंग द नंबर इफ कैरी आउट। क्लियर। सिमिलरली जो यहां नंबर आएगा और यहां नंबर आएगा, बोथ आर सेम बट लेस देन और इक्वल टू दिस नंबर, आई एम राइटिंग अगेन 9 बिकॉज दिस नंबर इज नियर अबाउट 198 if something right. Clear. तो 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81, carry 8, 9 8s are 72 और 8 08, 19 9s are 171, 171 और 8 179. now minus 8 9, 18 माइनस में 9 9 और 1. Clear. This is the remainder. ठीक है. Now think, if this remainder is added to this number, the number become of 7 digit, but your question is of 6 digits. So this is the smallest number that must be subtracted. Good. So 1998 is the smallest number that must be subtracted to form a perfect square. ठीक है. Now show the minus, that is 999999 minus 1998. Now number become 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 again 0, 9 minus 1 8. So this is the 6 digit largest number, perfect square number. Clear. So last part 998001, this is the perfect square root of 999. Clear. So this is the method for finding greatest number. If you read the word find the greatest number, that must be find the greatest number of 6 digit or 5 digit or 4 digit, then remainder should be subtracted. Clear. Now in question number next 4 and 5 we have to add. ठीक है. in case of this, मतलब माइनस की जगह आपने प्लस करना है. क्लियर. तो लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is find the smallest number that must be added to the number. Number is like question number 2, 6203. In second question we have to subtract the remainder. Now we have to add the remainder. Find the largest number that must be added. Clear. So first of all show the long division method. Now make the pair of 2 from right side. Similarly 7 7s are 49, 3103. ठीक है. बिल्कुल सेम जैसे सेकंड क्वेश्चन किया आपने. Now 7 2s are 14, I am writing 8 8 8 8s are 64, 6 8 मतलब 118. Now remainder is in previous question number 2 119. Clear. ठीक है. Now one more important property or one more basic concept. If we add to this number 6203 119 2 2 or 3 or 6 6322, but this number is not also a perfect square because last digit is 2. ठीक है. First property of the first worksheet. Clear. My last digit is 2. So this is not a perfect square. Then what happen? Clearly, then the method is, if the number is, जो भी यहाँ नंबर होगा 78 है, समथिंग है, जो भी है, उससे नेक्स्ट नंबर भी आप काउंट करोगे. ठीक है. सिमिलरली इन दिस वे मीन्स 6203 7 7 49, that is 1303 means 7 4 14. ठीक है. Now you write number greater than this, means next number, then 9 or then 9. Clear? Now 9 9s are 81, carry 8. 9 4s are 36, 36 or 8 44. Clear? 44 means 4. 9 or 4 13. Clear? Now minus this from bigger to smaller. 11 minus 3 8 3. Now number become 38. From these two remainder, smaller number is 38. If we add 6203 to the 38, this becomes 6241, or this is the perfect square of this 79. Clear? Any doubt? Means जो आपका रिमाइंडर आए फॉर एडिशन केस ओनली. ठीक है. मीन्स जो यहाँ नंबर होगा उससे आप नेक्स्ट नंबर काउंट करके चलोगे. ठीक है. तो आप राइट क्या करोगे? आउट ऑफ रिमाइंडर क्लियर. आउट ऑफ रिमाइंडर 119 और 38. 38 is the smaller number that must be added to the number 6203 to become a perfect square. Clearly? मीन्स आपने दोनों को ऐड करके देखा 6322, but 2 is the last digit, so this number is not a perfect square. Clear? So we add number 30. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार यही नंबर हो, नेक्स्ट वाला ये भी हो सकता है, बस ये आपको ऐड करके देखना पड़ेगा. सो नंबर बिकम 6203 प्लस 38, दिस इज 6241, और नाउ 6241 square root is 79. This is the method of find the smallest number that must be added. Clear? Any doubt? If you feel any doubt, any query, then write in the comment box, or you can contact at my personal number. Clear? Now see question number second last, that is question number 5. Now question number 5. Find the least number of 6 digit that is perfect square. In question number 3, we find largest number of 6 digit. In question number 5, we have to find lowest number of 6 digit. First of all, write least number. Least number of 6 digit, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clearly? ठीक है. Now think, if we add reminder or want to subtract reminder, means हमें reminder add करना है या subtract करना है. If subtracted, the number become of 5 digit, but if we add reminder, the number become of 6 digit. So reminder should be added. First of all, find the long division method. Write the pair of 2. Clear? Now first pair is 10, so 3 3s are 9. Below 10, 9 is the perfect square which is near about to 10. Now minus 1, this is 100. Double of 3, that is 6. Now we can write here 1 and 1, that is 61. Multiply करोगे तो near about 100. Now remainder 39. again write the last pair, that is 00. now this number becomes 62 double of 1 मीन्स जो न्यू नंबर आ रहा है हर स्टेप पे आपने डबल उसका करना. 3 का डबल 6, 6 एज इट इज, 1 का डबल 2. क्लियरली. नाउ राइट हेयर और हेयर सेम नंबर आफ्टर मल्टीप्लीकेशन, number less than this or equal to this. Clear? I am writing 6. 6 is a 36 or 7. Clear? I am writing first of all 6. You can find easily by multiplying. 6 to 6 multiply 6. 6 is a 36. Reminder 3. 6 to the 12. 12 over 3 15. 1. 6 is a 36 or 7. 3 7 5 6. Clear? Similarly, I am finding next number 6 to 7 into 7. 7 7 is 49, 4. 7 is 14 or 14 or 4, 18, 1. 7 to the 42 or 3. This number is greater. So we can write here 6. 3 7 5 6. Now subtract the number. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 5 4. और here write 8, 8 minus 7 1. Clear? 6 is a 36, carry 3. 6 2 is a 12 or 3 15, carry 1. Clear? Now minus 10, here 8, 8 minus 7 1, 9 minus 5 4. First reminder is this. Clear? Similarly, find the next. Only in the case of addition of the number. Clear? Start from 3 up to this, both are same. 100, double of 3 61, 161 minus 39. Now 617. Next number. You have to count the next number. After next number multiply, we get 4389. 4389. Now minus lower number from higher number. 9 minus 0 9, 8 minus 0 8 और 13 minus 4 9 हो गया 4. Now 114 and 489 both are the remainder in case of addition. Now which is to be used? आपको कौन सा यूज करना है? ठीक है, तो सिंपल सा लॉजिक है, ये दोनों आप रिमाइंडर ऐड करके देखो. ठीक है, और जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए आफ्टर दैट इज द योर आंसर. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट नंबर बिकम 100144 और 100489. ठीक है, आउट ऑफ दिस इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. यू हैव टू फाइंड बाय दिस. क्लियर? सो 489 is the smallest number that must be added to the number to become least 6-digit perfect square. Clear? Now add them. 10000 plus 489. The number become 100489. Clear? In last part 100489. Now square root is 317. Clear? So this is the method. Okay? Now I am differentiating both. First of all, you read the statement. If small number must be subtracted or must be added. If number must be subtracted, then only single time you have to show. But in case of addition, you have to show first number and number greater than first, means next number, consecutive number. Clear? Now see the last question of worksheet 4. This is the last question, number 6. you have to find the value of this. Here are two numbers given. First of all, find the square root of given number by long division method. Clear? Because these numbers are largest of 8 digit or 7 digit. Okay? You cannot use here prime factorization because this is a lengthy method. So first of all, find 6 4 4 3 2 7 2 9. Similarly, 9 6 5 3 4 4 9. You have to find both perfect square root of given number. Write the making pair of 2 from right side, first, second, third and fourth. Similarly, here in this case, first, second, third and 9 remains alone, so 9 only pair count. Clear? First, 8 8s are 64. This is the perfect square. Okay, no doubt. Then double of 8 is 16. Write next pair, that is 43. Clear? If you use only 1, 6 1 1, the number become 161, which is greater than 43. इससे बड़ा हो गया तो यूज नहीं कर सकते, तो write here 0, here 0. Okay, now use next digit, next pair, sorry. Clear? So we write 27 as though. Now number become 4327. I am writing 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 or 16 2s are 30, which is near about 4327. Again minus 7 minus 4 1, sorry, 3 2 1 and 1. Clear? Now write last pair, that is 29. Now what is here this number? 160. Double of 2 is 4. Clear? Now find the number. After putting here or here, multiply, you get number equal to this. Clear? I am writing 7. 7 7 is 49. 7 4 is 28. 28 or 4. 32 or 16 7s are 112. Now this number become cancel out, so perfect square root of 644 32729 is 8027. Clear? Now find the long division method by this. The first number become 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 is perfect square. Clear? So no problem. Double of 3, that is 6, write 6 65, first pair 65. Clear? Now I am putting here 1 1, that number becomes 61, multiply or minus करोगे तो number become 4. Now write next pair, that is 434. Clear? Now here is 62, 6 as it is, double of 1, that is 2. Clear? Now write here and here same number or multiply less than equal to this. So 6 5 30 6. I am writing 6. 6 is a 36. No, number become higher than this. Sorry, my mistake. You cannot use 6 because if you use only 1, the number becomes 621, which is greater than this. So put 0 here, 0 here and write next pair. Clear? Now you can find here 7 and 7. 7 7s are 49. 4. 49 here. 7 2s are 14. 43. So perfect square root of 965 3449 is 3104. But you have to minus both. So answer become 644 32729 minus 965 3449. So this become 8027 minus this become 3107. Now minus this, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 0 2, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Or here number 7. 7 minus 3, 4. This is your answer. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 80 minus 31, that is 49. So this is your last question. Or this is the most important worksheet. So today's homework, solve sum number 2 to 6. Thanks for watching my video and have a nice day.